there, today's the 11th day before Christmas and it's going to be a no-bake recipe. This is super easy to do. We're going to be making some sugar cookie truffles. You can go and get store-bought ingredients like pre-made sugar cookies and frosting to do this, or you can make it from scratch if you have some extra sugar cookies around from decorating some. You can use those and some frosting if you have any left over. I will leave all my ingredients if you want to make it from scratch down below in the description box. Now let's get started on these truffles. Start by getting your sugar cookies. I have a dozen of my homemade ones. I used a food processor to turn these into some crumbs. You can always put them in a plastic bag and break them up with a rolling pin. To this I'm going to add a little bit of almond extract, and this is optional, you can keep it out. And then I'm going to start adding some of my frosting into this, and using my hand mixer I'm going to blend this together. I'm just going to gradually add more frosting into this until it all starts to hold together. It's similar to making cake pops. I like to use my hand to feel how wet the dough is and if it's starting to hold together. If it's still too dry, I'll add more frosting and just keep mixing it together. And using my hand as well to feel the dough. Once it's done, we're going to start scooping it. So I got my quarter sheet pan and my ice cream scoop here. This will help get equal sized balls. So just scoop, roll them up, and put them on the tray. Once you've scooped all your cookie truffles, just keep placing them on the tray and then refrigerate this for about 15 minutes just to harden a little bit. Once they've chilled, I'm going to dip them in candy melts. You can always use white chocolate or milk chocolate or anything you like. I'll just place them back on the quarter sheet pan. And while the candy melt is still wet, I will add some decorations. I'm going to keep simple decorations on these. So here I'm just adding some mistletoe sprinkles. And then over here I'm adding some red and green jimmies. Then I'll keep repeating the dipping process and adding decorations. Here I'm adding this gingerbread man sprinkle. Just keep repeating this with all your truffles. There I added a candy cane sprinkle. And finish it off again with another mistletoe. And then I'll just keep decorating all these other cookie truffles. And there's our sugar cookie truffles. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see pictures of these truffles and everything I'm going to be making, I do post on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All those links are down below as well. Until next time, happy holidays and stay sweet.